अपना क्वेश्चन जो स्टार्ट है, फाइंड द पॉइंट ऑन द कर्व y square equal to 4ax which is nearest to the point 2 minus 8. Let p x comma y be the point, be the required point कर दो, be the required point. Now mod AP कितना होगा, जिस पॉइंट ना a ले गया 2 minus 8, mod AP आएगा x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 8 whole square under the root. हाँ जी, मैं स्केलिंग कर लो, स्केलिंग करने नाल we will avoid the under root. Mod AP square equal to, हाँ जी, you will write here, if you write the value of x, y square by 4 minus 2 plus y plus 8 whole square. हाँ जी, you have changed it, scaling root cancel, the x की value y square by 4. If you write the value of y, that will be typical. It will come under root. Now you will write a d. You will write y4 over 16 plus 4 minus, देखो a square plus b square minus 2 है, a square plus b square plus 2a, ठीक है. हाँ जी, now y square will be cancelled with y square. Now we will write d equal to y4 by 16 plus 16y plus 68. हाँ जी, differentiate with respect to y. dd over dy equal to 4 y cube over 16 plus 16. Differentiate with respect to y again. d2 d over dy square equal to 3y square by 4. So 4 cancel, 3y square by 4. It will be 0. Constant derivative 0. For critical point, put dd over dy equal to 0. We will write y cube by 4 plus 16 0. This implies y cube equal to minus 64. It will be equal to minus 4 whole cube. Y will be equal to minus 4. Now d2 d over dy square at y equal to minus 4. It will be positive. Now see again. Find the point on the curve nearest to the point. Let x y be the point. Now distance, he is talking about distance, mod a, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under the root. You will find the value of x from here, y square by 4. Scaling root खत्म हो गया, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. It will be cancelled. 64 plus 16 68. 64 plus 4 68. Differentiate with respect to y. 4y cube by 16 plus 16. कैंसिलिंग होगी. डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, 3y square by 4. 4 critical point, put this is equal to 0. It will take other side, minus 16 cross 4 minus 64. Minus 4 the whole cube. Y equal to minus 4. Double put in the value of y here. You will get positive. Positive means point is nearest. You will write point is nearest. Point is nearest. हाँ जी. Now we'll skip this part. Put the value of y in 1. Put y equal to minus 4 in 1. You will get 16 equal to 4x. Implies that x equal to 4. Therefore 4 comma minus 4 is the required point. That is a slightly important question. Many times it will come in the paper of CBSE board, also Punjab board, also some other board. And now I will do the question number 36. And in this question he is talking about a tank with rectangular base and rectangular sides open at the top is to be constructed so that its depth is 2 meter and volume is 8 meter cube. If the building of tank cost rupees 70 per square meter for base and rupees 45 square meter for sides. What is the cost of least expensive tank? हाँ जी, first we'll write that x, y, 2 meter b length, breadth, height of tank. हाँ जी, I will show you figure. You will see this figure. This is a example of a tank. Rectangular base. One is x, one is y. Height given to 2 meter. Now what is he is writing volume 8 meter cube. So what is V equal to volume of tank? It will be 8 length into breadth into height. You will find one value from here. You will write the value of y. Now cost. हाँ जी, cost of x. You will find the cost. Cost equal to. हाँ जी, what is base? Length into breadth xy. And what is 4 bar? 2x plus 2x 4x, 2y plus 2y 4y. You will write 4 into x plus y. हाँ जी, he is talking about the cost. This is the surface area. Now he is talking about the cost. 70 square meter for base and 45 square meter for sides. 45 square meter for sides. You will write 70x, y value of y 4x plus 45 into 4 180 x plus y4 by x. Again you will solve it. 280 plus 180x plus 180x raised to minus 1. And you differentiate with respect to x. You will write it at c. dc over dx 180 plus minus 1 180 x raised to minus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. d2c over dx square minus 1 minus 2 180 x raised to minus 3 come out to be 180 over x cube. 4 critical point put dc over dx equal to 0. You will write here this is equal to 0. 180 minus 180 over x square equal to 0. It will be wrong because you will write here हाँ जी 720. You will take 4 common. You will write 180 x plus y 4 by x 720. You will write here 720. You will write here again 720, again 720. Now you will write here 720. This implies 180 x square equal to 720 x square equal to 4 x plus minus 2, but you will take the value only 2 because length can never be negative. हाँ जी, put in 1. Sorry. Now d2 c over dx square at x equal to 2. हाँ जी, 720 over 2 cube. No need to open. It is positive. यानी cost is minimum at x equal to 2. Put in 1. Put in 1. Y equal to 4 by 2. 2 meter. हाँ जी. First you will check the part. हाँ जी. X length, Y breadth, 2 meter height given to us. Now what is volume of tank? Length, breadth, height. It is given to 8. You will find the value of 5. Now what is cost of 4 bar? 2x plus 2x 2y plus 2y यानी 4x plus 4y. And what is area of floor? X into y. 70 rupees per square meter for base, तो 70 into xy आ गया. And for 4 balls 45 per square meter, 45 multiplied. You will write the value of y 4 by x. Come out to be 280. 180x, 4 to take outside the bracket common, and y 4 by x. 180x plus 720 by x, 720 by x. It will be on the numerator x raised to minus 1. Differentiate 0, 180 minus 1 x raised to minus 2, 720 as it is. Again differentiate 0, minus 1 into minus 2, 720 x raised to minus 3. It will come out to be, slight mistake again, 1440. You will write here 1440. 1440 by x cube. 4 critical point, put this is equal to 0. You will get the value of x equal to 2. You will write the value here. You will get positive. Positive mean area is, your cost is minimum at x equal to 2. Put in 1, y is equal to 2. Here is talking about what is the cost of least expense. I will delete this part. Put value of x in equation, I will write this. Put in equation number 2. Put value of x in equation number 2. I am splitting this part. Now you will write here, put in x into 280 plus 180 into 2 plus 720 by 2. 280, 360, 360. हाँ जी, 1000 रुपीज आंसर आ गया. 1000 रुपीज आंसर